Let's revisit the idea of shutting down. So what happens if you calculate the optimal quantity Q star and that actually results in a negative profit? Well, that means that you're running a loss. So should you shut down? Well, the answer is not super clear. Just because you're running a loss, it doesn't mean you should shut down. You should only shut down if shutting down would reduce your loss. Let's look at an example to make this clear. Suppose your revenue is $2,000 and your cost is comprised of a variable cost and a fixed cost. Let's say your variable cost is $1,000 and your fixed cost is $3,000. So your profit is your revenue minus your cost. So it's 2,000 minus your total cost. Your total cost is comprised of these two parts. So it's 2,000 minus, so R, which is 2,000, minus variable cost minus fixed cost. Variable cost is 1,000, fixed cost is 3,000. So it's 2,000 minus 1,000 minus 3,000, so it's negative 2,000. So should you shut down? You're making a loss. You're making a loss of 2,000, so what should you do? You shouldn't shut down. Why shouldn't you shut down? Because if you shut down, then your revenue is going to be zero. Your variable cost is going to be zero, but you still have to eat this fixed cost. So your profit is going to be zero revenue minus zero variable cost minus 3,000 fixed cost. So it's a negative 3,000. So you should only shut down if shutting down would result in a lower loss. So for example, if instead your variable cost was 2,500, then in the short run, your profit would be, if you produced, would be 2,000 minus 2,500 minus 3,000, which would be minus 3,500. Whereas if you shut down, remember, you only make a loss of 3,000. So this is worse than 3,000. So in this case, shut down.